Hello, my followers on YouTube. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Today we have something a little bit different. This is called X-Fly. This is kind of a drone and an airplane. It will vertically take off like a drone, and then you fly it like an airplane. It's a very cool device. You open over here, and you're gonna put your battery. You have the small remote. This is supposedly self-hovering. So we will check in a few minutes if it can hover by itself. This is from a company called Rage. They are kind of a new company, but they have a lot of potential. They have a lot of other toys that I'm going to review in the next couple days. We start bringing the merchandise here, and I'm really happy with it. This is available in our shop right now at MotoStyles Hobby Shop in Granada Hills, 17540 Chatsworth Street. Do you see how it's look? It's really cool. You can fly it indoor and outdoor. Later on, we're going to take it for a test flight and see how it's doing. Like and subscribe to my channel. So here it is. We're going to do the first test flight on this. It's pretty cool. The only thing you need to do is to know that there is here on-off switch. We're going to press it, turn it on. You're gonna have the blinking on the bottom. We're gonna turn on the remote. It's the big black button over here, and then you have to go up and down, and then there is a self-hovering mode here. Just gonna press it and start going up by itself. Now I'm flying it with one hand because I'm working with the camera, because it's so stable. It's really cool. What I'm doing, I'm trimming it with one hand. It's pretty difficult to do, but there it is. Okay, this was the first flight. Now it's completely trimmed, and I'm gonna show you guys something really cool. Okay, let's make it stand where it is. Okay, I can walk around right now and vegetate it. I have the remote right here. It's drifting a little bit. Almost got me. Gonna lower the power a little bit, so it's gonna go slightly lower. Okay, next shot. Press up. Not touching anything. Guess we ran out of battery.